prepare for a cat bath. Alright, I'm gonna get a good view of the cat bath.
Oh God, he's gonna try to scratch me.
Yeah, he probably is. I'm in here because I'm smart with what I do. Oh God. Okay, he's not infuriating yet. He's beginning to get a little mad.
Jamba?
I think he's looking at me because he's like, what the heck are you doing? Oh no.
Okay, Jamba. Holy crap. Jamba!
Oh God. Kitten Fury.
He like killed me right after sitting down.
Yeah, he's pretty pissed. He's like, what the heck did you do that for? Bad owner, bad. Let's keep this up.
Okay.
Come on, Jamba, be a good kitty.
I'm sorry, Mom, if I mess up the bathroom.
Oh God. Oh God, no. Oh no.
I'm sorry.
No. There you go.
Okay, I think we need to put the bath up a little bit more.
All right, guys, we'll be right back while the bath fills up.